Welcome to another video from the Parrot Bros. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove and refit the rear diffuser. So if you've bought a honeycomb one or you want to take your one off to wrap it or paint it, then this is the video for you. So before we get stuck into it, let's jump into the intro. Okay, so for this one, it's actually a really easy thing to do. Now you only need two tools. I'll just show you. You'll need a Torx 25 bit. That's for undoing two of the four fixings. And then you'll need a slim-ish flathead screwdriver or a pick or a point tool or something like that. So basically, on the two inner ones, so they are on the inner edge here, the inside of the exhaust, both sides, they have a Torx 25 which bolts up into the body of the car. On the outer edges, so that's the outer side of the exhaust here, so you can see there on the other end, there is these push clips. Now these are two-piece and they go together, so that goes into the into there like that, and that pushes up into the bumper. And then what this sort of plastic pin does is you'll push it in and you push it right down, and what it does is it spreads the clip, which then makes it stay in place. Now to remove it, you literally just get a screwdriver. What I try not to do is keep your hand out of the way, because you can quite easily go flying through with a screwdriver. But it's basically just put your hand underneath and hold it, and then you just simply push through and out comes the plastic pin. Then all you need to do is just gently pull on this, and then you can just pull the clip out, and then you'll be able to pull this off of the bumper. So it's relatively simple, and going back together is pretty simple as well. Once you've removed the two Torx 25s from the center and the two push clips from the outer edge, it has a sort of like a pushing clip all the way around. Now sometimes you'll have to release them, sometimes you won't. It all depends on, I guess, how long it's been on there and how much it gets pushed on. So you may need to jack the car up. Now most of the time you can get away without it. Pro tip: do it when your exhausts are cold, because you're going to get close to them and there's a good possibility you'll touch them, and obviously you don't want to burn yourself. So safety tip there. So get nice and comfy, and what you want to do is start on the outer edge, put two fingers in the exhaust hole and just pull, and it should just come out relatively straightforward, and that's it, it lifts off. If it doesn't, let me push it in properly, see if we can get it to click in properly, nice and hard. And if you just pull gently, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to damage the trim, you don't want to damage the bumper. So if you have to, you may need to jack it up and try and pop your hand up the inside to reach the clips, because it has a bit of flex, enough for you to get up there. But most of the time you can just pull it off, and it will just come off. So there's the old one off. Now I'll show you full refitting, just so you know exactly what you've got to do. So you get the trim, line it up. It's always worth giving it a little clean behind, because the amount of crap that gets behind there, and just push it till you hear a click, and all that's doing is basically just those little tabs that I spoke about will go in there. Now let me see if I can get a footage of the clips itself. So here, in here, there's the clip. So what we'll do is, you can have it pushed in a little bit, is just push that in the hole, and then you just simply push the plastic pin up, and then that is fixed. Then on the other one, wherever that is there, you get your Torx 25. I've got it on a nice long extension, so you can walk it in with your fingers first, and then literally just tighten it up a tweak, and there you go, nice and fitted. So that is it. We'll just repeat the process on the other side, but I'll do it so you can see from the outside. So like I said, get the clip, have it pre-pushed in a little bit, not too much, but just enough, and then you're literally just going to push it into the hole, and then you just, with your thumb, push up on the pin all the way to the end, and then with your Torx 25 find the hole, and then just do it up a bit with your fingers. You don't want to do them too tight, because it's only into a little like plastic slide clip on the other side, sorry, metal slide clip on the other side. Just enough to just nip it with 2 fingers, and then there you have it. Rear diffuser fitted. So there you go, guys. Nice quick demonstration. Level that up, that's annoying. So yeah, that is just a quick demonstration of showing you how to get it from this to this. So there you go. Nice quick 10-minute tutorial on how to swap the rear diffuser. Hope you've enjoyed watching that, guys. That's another video from the Parrot Bros.